Hi, we are the fifth group and we are going to do the installation of two operating systems, Windows XP and Ubuntu. We proceed to access the BIOS of the computer. We enter the advanced options and in the boot configuration we will place the CD-ROM as the first boot option. We save the changes made and restart the system.
Dos mil años más tarde.
Una eternidad más tarde.
Once the computer has restarted, the Windows XP installer will appear. We make the configuration that it asks for and it will proceed to its installation.
2000 años más tarde.
Windows XP will start and the configuration will be done to start using the operating system. After installing Windows XP, we remove its installation disk to put the Ubuntu one. We'll start the computer and the Ubuntu installation menu will open.
2000 años más tarde.
We configure and install the system.
Una eternidad más tarde. Una eternidad más tarde.
Finally, we check that the operating system is correctly installed.
A tomar por culo.
Y aquí tampoco. Esto es de esto una mina. Esto se puede marcar como mina. Aquí 3. O sea que puede haber una aquí y una aquí. O una aquí. Pero como está detectando esta, puede que haya una aquí. Y otra aquí. O sea que esto no es una mina. Y esto tampoco. ¡No! Si la mina aquí.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all.